Hey folks, boy do I got a treat for you today to check out. Wait till you see this. I tell you, I haven't seen a Class C like this in quite some time. And as you can tell, it's lifted. This is a 2021 Jayco Greyhawk. This is the 30Z model. So it's got this rear slide where the bedroom slide comes out. This is Class C, obviously. This has a 7.3 Godzilla motor in it. The 350 horsepower with, 468 foot-pounds of torque and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This has got a little over 29,000 miles for a 2021. That's pretty darn good. And it's in immaculate shape. I got Alexis here, who's the original owner, and she's going to tell us about what they did with this lift kit. Now, this coach is located in Denver, Colorado. My name is Eric, and I'm helping Alexis with marketing this coach. There's a bunch more pictures of this coach on my website at nextstepprosales.com. And as you can tell, we're not on a showroom lot. This is in a storage facility, so showings are by appointment only. Give me a 24 to 48 hour notice, and you can reach me at 720-660-3062 to set up showings. I don't set up showings by text or email or messenger because I get too many no-shows that way. So give me a call and I'll be happy to set up a time where we can show this to you. But this video, we're going to cover a lot of neat stuff in it. Now, it's got 2 slides. The overall length on this coach is 32 feet 6 inches. The exterior height is 11 feet 8 inches. And the interior height is 7 feet. If you notice up there at the top, folks, hopefully you can see it, this has got the 2 AC units on here. So we got one in the bedroom and then one in the living room. Now, Alexa, you and your partner bought this new, and then you guys went to town and had somebody beef up these front ends. Who was it that did the work?
Yeah, we took it down to California to WeldTec Designs and had their 6-inch lift and suspension package installed. It's got a Fox steering stabilizer, Fox shocks.
Wow, this looks really cool under here. They really did a number. So you can definitely get to the back of the lake. You had these Cooper tires. These are upgraded. Those are 16-inch, but look at the clearance.
Yeah, an extra 6 inches of clearance, so no worries going into the gas station or any parking lots. Also beefed up the leaf springs for the weight of the coach.
Okay.
And put those all-terrain tires on it. And then, as you can see right now, we went ahead and added the bumper.
The grill up here with the fog lights, because you never know what you're going to run into up in the mountains.
And got a skid plate there, so after your investment, you got it protected from any road damage.
What made you and your partner pick this model? What did you guys like about it?
Oh, we love this model because of the rear bedroom and how it slides out the back to give you a full clean with.
Here, grab that latch for a sec. This is what got my attention real quick, how big this is. You could put kayaks back here and everything.
Yeah, fishing rods. We've had almost the entire house in here at one point.
7,500-pound tow hitch. You towed a small Jeep, you said?
We actually towed a Jeep Gladiator.
Jeep Gladiator, that's a little bigger.
Yeah, a little bit bigger.
But you found there was plenty of storage on this. You got a nice 15-foot power awning.
Yeah, tons of storage. We love the rear garage, and then the overhead bunk, we use that for storage as well.
Take a look inside. You got a newer house battery and a newer chassis battery. The tires are 2023s or 22s, but big bunk area up here.
Yep, and we added the 2 steps because of the lift package, so WeldTec added that as well.
So it was a single step before, or
Correct.
just you walked right in?
Yes.
I believe it. I like this decor in here. This is kind of the countryside decor, they said.
It's a modern farmhouse.
Modern farmhouse. So you got 2 recliners, big booth dinette that folds down, makes into a bed.
Yes.
This is all one big slide right here. Plenty of room.
Yes.
And then you got the nice bed. You guys upgraded to a nice Pillowtop mattress back here.
Yes.
You've got this is the other AC unit that's back here. And you got the TV back here and the big 50-inch TV that's up there.
Yeah. 50-inch TV and electric fireplace.
And the electric fireplace, I saw that. Now those put out pretty good heat.
Yeah, we've heated the entire coach just with that.
Well, this is the preface. Okay, so you got 2 stainless steel sinks. You got the 3-burner stove. This is a regular microwave, good sized microwave. Wow. Then you got the oven here. 2-door fridge. Super clean. You guys, you were mentioning that you really babied this coach.
Yeah, this was our baby for the last
You stored
5 years.
it. It's always been covered storage, or you guys had a building garage built for it.
Correct.
With a 16-foot roof.
Yeah. Yep. We did have an outbuilding that it stayed in for a couple of years, and then covered storage.
For 2021, this thing's in great shape. How'd you like driving it?
Oh, it drives like a dream. That's actually why we did the suspension and lift kit.
You were telling me 75, 80 miles an hour.
Yeah, one hand on the wheel, just rolling down the highway.
With that Weld suspension system that's all through here?
Yep, the suspension shocks keep it really stable. Not nearly as much wind push from other vehicles.
That cushion goes right here. Yeah, keep going. You're on a roll. I'm sorry, I interrupted you.
No, that's fine. That was
you
good.
love driving it, I bet.
Yeah, it's a dream to drive.
So up in the mountains, plenty of power.
Oh, plenty of power heading out.
With that Godzilla.
Yep.
And just cruise down the highway 70, 75, no problem.
Yep, towing a Jeep.
Okay, folks, again, this coach is located in Denver, Colorado. There's a bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. So check out all the pictures, and please watch this video. Give me a call at 720-660-3062. Again, showings are by appointment only. If you're looking for financing and you live in Colorado, check out Credit Union of Denver. They have their own RV department, and they've helped a bunch of my customers through the years now with some really good loans. If you're outside of Denver and you're looking for a national lender, check out Vantage Recreational. I do have a link to their website and an application on my website, nextstepprosales.com. So again, give me a call at 720-660-3062. Hopefully we'll see you here in Denver, and thanks for watching.